So today we are going to study the use of bar graphs with a different purpose. We have seen last year how information collected could be first arranged in a frequency distribution table, and then this information could be put as a visual representation in the form of pictographs or bar graphs. You can look at the bar graphs and make deductions about the data. You can also get information based on these bar graphs. For example, you can say that the mode is the longest bar if the bar represents the frequency, because mode is the most frequently occurring number. So from the bar graph you can say that mode is the longest bar if the bar represents the frequency. Now, choosing a scale. We know that a bar graph is a representation of numbers using bars of uniform width, and the lengths of the bars depend upon the frequency and the scale you have chosen. For example, in a bar graph where numbers in units are to be shown, the graph represents 1 unit length for one observation, and if it has to show numbers in tens or hundreds, 1 unit length can represent 10 or 100 observations. You know how to choose a scale while drawing a bar graph, so they have explained that. Now consider the following example. So in this example, you can see that 200 students of 6th and 7th classes were asked to name their favorite color so as to decide upon what should be the color of their school building. The results are shown in the following table. Represent the given data on a bar graph. So favorite color, red, green, blue, yellow, orange, and number of students who like these colors are given in the table. So you need to represent the given data on a bar graph, and also you need to answer the following questions with the help of the bar graph. Which is the most preferred color and which is the least preferred? How many colors are there in all? What are they? Now let's see the answer for this. So choose a suitable scale as follows. Here scale 1 unit is equal to 10 students. Okay. Now start the scale at 0. The greatest value in the data is 55. So end the scale at a value greater than 55, such as 60. Now use equal divisions along the axis, such as increments of 10. You know that all the bars would lie between 0 and 60. We choose the scale such that the length between 0 and 60 is neither too long nor too small. Here we take 1 unit for 10 students. Okay. We then draw and label the graph as shown. Okay, you have drawn the graph and you have labeled the graph for different colors: red, green, blue, yellow, orange. You have taken one scale is equal to 10 students because the least value is 0 and the highest value is 60. So between that you are using a appropriate scale, that is 1 unit denotes 10 students. Then you can draw the graph. Now from the bar graph you can conclude that blue is the most preferred color because the bar of blue has highest length. Height is more. So blue is the most preferred color because the bar representing blue is the tallest. Next, green is the least preferred color because the bar representing green is the shortest. There are 5 colors and they are red, green, blue, yellow and orange. These are observed on the horizontal line. So, from the graph, what you have concluded? You have concluded that blue is the most preferred color because the bar representing blue is the tallest, and green is the least preferred color because the bar representing green is the shortest. Also, you have noticed that there are 5 colors: red, green, blue, yellow, orange, which are given on the horizontal line. Okay, so you have drawn the bar graph and you have answered the questions.